have the SP&S 901. First test run. We arrived at Johntown. We haven't heard anything on the scanner, so I know it's coming. Until we got a rare fan showed up, said the 901 has already went through here in Johntown. So we missed it, so we rushed to Elk Valley. Not much going on at the depot, so there is a lot of crew around. And the cameraman went down the tracks a little bit and is getting a good look at this FP45 until we heard a whistle off a distance. Wow, this is something. It was only a minor repairs to this locomotive, and it looks neat when it came close. SP&S 901 is gonna do going over the bridge a couple times, and they're gonna make their merry way up to Bethel. 901 is not pulling that much of a cars, so it's gonna be a cinch for this locomotive to go upgrade on the Buckley sub. The whistle is almost similar to the 3985 UP Challenger, except the whistles are identical. Gets to the other end of the siding, they slow down, and then to make a service stop. servicing stop completed. And beyond that bridge is the Valley Sub, heading towards Timbers Tower. The crew's going to be doing this a lot, back and forth, to make sure the locomotive runs okay. I guess the Msrl added the FP45 just in case if something happens to the locomotive. After other fast speeding chase, we couldn't catch up. Now the 901 is returning to Bethel, so it's gonna be entering the back Buckley Sub. Made a brief stop at Bethel, and the crew is intending one of the bearings underneath the locomotive. Eventually, they're going to be on the move again. They're going to fix this before they depart out of Bethel. It's interesting. At least the Msrl crew spotted firsthand. Downgrade they go. The amber braking is on the FP45. .901 and the crew is heading for the Elk Valley Western Railroad Museum to tie down for tonight. SP&S 901 test run day 2, and we arrived here early before the rail fans showed up, and here they come, right on time. They're gonna make a little stop at Elk Valley before they head up on the hill. There it comes. It's going to be popping out of Ruby Creek Tunnel. Yeah, excellence. Excellent whistle. Ooh-wee, they're testing it out again with the speed. It's hard to catch up with this 901. It's doing pretty good with the test run. .901's whistle echoes across the valley. Sounds pretty nice and pretty fast running. The train turned on to Y and is facing the other direction. The test runs is almost completed. This is going to be the next excursion locomotive. SP&S 901 did a successful test run, and the crew is happy, and it made a lot of people that turn their heads around and see this big thing going right by. It was something to see. The other mighty steam locomotive did an excellent test runs on the rails of the Milwaukee Southern Railway lines. 901 is the pride of the Spokane Portland and Seattle Railway. I'll see you guys next time on the next video. I'll see you down the line.